Carmona. Set, ready for racing. Racing just is started with the Special Forces. Break quick, let us start running by the release Batang Carmona. Rushing upon the young Series Royal Kapupo. Director Sweet comes next. Down the inside now is the Fountainhead. Blue Material Colby Boy. G.I. Jane comes next. Mapaghinala. Second last while Bayou Data is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, now we have Batang Carmona. Now takes command by about half length is Special Forces in second. The Fountainhead is running by the rail third. And in third comes Director Sweet. Rushing up now is Blue Material in between horses. The next on line is Royal Kapupo. G.I. Jane, Colby Boy, Bayou Data. Second last while Mapaghinala is still racing in less than a fair turn. Now we have Batang Carmona. Special Forces. Blue Material is running by the rail. Special Forces once again takes command. Darling Kenny Hep. Blue Material is running by the rail. Batang Carmona. The Fountainhead. Director Sweet comes next as they swing Coron. We have Special Forces by about 2 lengths. And in second, the Fountainhead. Director Sweet is on the outside. Then comes Blue Material. Last 50 meters. We have Special Forces above the Fountainhead. And finally, Special Forces. The Fountainhead. Director Sweet. Blue Material, G.I. Jane.
Okay, ang official winner natin, unang tumawid, hindi nag-disappoint sa benta niya yan. That is horse number 6, Special Forces. And mukhang Escalera yung nakita ko sa quartet, 6, 7, 8, and 9, but I will wait for the confirmation. So, ang official winner po natin is